Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about a new topic. Subscribe to the channel or like the video or comment your feedback. Let's start playing the video. The 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma is a profound exploration of personal mastery, productivity, and life purpose, wrapped in the guise of a simple habit, waking up at 5 a.m. But the heart of this book lies not just in the act of rising early, but in the transformative power of those first hours of the day, which Sharma believes can unlock untapped potential within each individual. Through a narrative-driven story, the 5 a.m. Club follows the lives of a disillusioned entrepreneur, a frustrated artist, and their eccentric yet wise mentor. Together, they embark on a journey that reveals ancient wisdom and modern strategies to help them transcend mediocrity, achieve their greatest ambitions, and lead a life of significance. The essence of the 5 a.m. hour. Sharma begins by explaining the significance of the 5 a.m. hour. He argues that the early morning hours are a sanctuary of tranquility, clarity, and focus. A time when the rest of the world is asleep, distractions are minimal, and the mind is at its sharpest. These precious hours offer an opportunity to craft a deliberate, intentional day, and by extension, an intentional life. By rising at 5 a.m., you gift yourself an edge, an uninterrupted time to concentrate on the things that matter most. This time, known as the victory hour, becomes a golden hour to nurture the mind, body, and spirit, setting the stage for productivity, creativity, and well-being throughout the day. Sharma calls this practice the cornerstone of personal greatness, suggesting that the most successful people in history, artists, leaders, and visionaries, have been early risers, who use these early hours to tap into their deepest well of potential. The 20-20-20 formula, the power of ritual. At the core of the 5 a.m. philosophy is the 20-20-20 formula, a carefully designed routine that breaks down the victory hour, 5 a.m. to 6 a.m., into 3 focused activities, each 20 minutes long. These activities are designed to align your physical, mental, and emotional states for optimal performance. Whether it's running, cycling, yoga, or any other form of movement, the goal is to get your heart rate up, flood your brain with oxygen, and release endorphins and dopamine. Exercise in the early morning sharpens your focus, boosts your mood, and enhances your cognitive abilities. Sharma explains that moving your body is essential to activating your brain's neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. This primes you for the learning and creative tasks that come later in the day. Reflect, second 20 minutes. After your body is energized, the next 20 minutes are for reflection. This part of the routine is about grounding yourself mentally and spiritually. It's the time to meditate, journal, or engage in deep contemplation. By taking time to reflect, you clear mental clutter, gain clarity about your goals, and cultivate a deeper sense of gratitude and purpose. In a world filled with distractions and external demands, this moment of stillness allows you to reconnect with your inner self. It's where you can plan your day with intention, review your goals, and set a clear vision for what you want to accomplish. 3. Grow. Final 20 minutes. The last 20 minutes are reserved for personal growth. This is where you feed your mind with knowledge and wisdom. Whether through reading, listening to podcasts, or engaging in self-education, this time is dedicated to expanding your intellectual capacity. Sharma emphasizes that constant learning is crucial to becoming the best version of yourself. By investing in your personal growth every morning, you're not just increasing your knowledge, you're cultivating the mindset and skills needed to tackle challenges and seize opportunities. This move, reflect, grow cycle becomes a sacred ritual, helping you to strengthen your physical health, deepen your emotional well-being, and sharpen your intellect, all within the first hour of the day. This ritual, Sharma explains, is the foundation of a life lived with purpose, passion, and performance. The 4 interior empires. Beyond mindset, Sharma introduces the concept of the 4 interior empires, a holistic framework for personal mastery. Where most self-help literature focuses solely on mindset, Sharma argues that true success requires the cultivation of 4 interconnected pillars: mindset, heart set, health set, and soul set. On mindset. This refers to the way you think, the mental frameworks and beliefs that shape your perception of reality. Sharma advocates for strengthening your mindset by challenging limiting beliefs, cultivating optimism, and adopting a growth mindset. However, he also cautions that a powerful mindset alone is insufficient for long-term success and fulfillment. 2. Heartset. Heartset refers to emotional intelligence, the ability to understand and manage your emotions. True personal growth requires emotional healing and the ability to release past pain, anger, or resentment. By strengthening your heartset, you enhance your emotional well-being, which in turn impacts your relationships, creativity, and overall happiness. 3. Health set. Health set focuses on your physical vitality. Without robust health, neither your mind nor your emotions can function at their best. A strong health set includes regular exercise, proper nutrition, and adequate rest. Whether through meditation, prayer, or quiet contemplation, nurturing your soul set is key to experiencing inner peace and clarity. By focusing on all 4 of these empires, you ensure that your growth is balanced and holistic. When all aspects of your being are aligned, mind, heart, body, and soul, you become unstoppable in the pursuit of your dreams. The journey of habit formation. The 66-day rule. Sharma delves into the science of habit formation, revealing that it takes an average of 66 days to install a new habit. He breaks this process into 3 distinct phases. 1. Struction, days 122. The first phase is the most difficult as it involves breaking down old habits and overcoming resistance. This is the phase where most people quit because of the discomfort that comes with change. 2. Installation, days 23-44. The second phase is where the new habit begins to take root. While still challenging, this phase marks the transition from the old behavior to the new routine. Integration, days 45-66. In the final phase, the habit becomes integrated into your identity. What was once difficult and uncomfortable now feels natural and automatic. You no longer have to force yourself to wake up at 5 a.m. It becomes who you are. By understanding this process, you can overcome the initial resistance to change and stay committed long enough to see lasting transformation. The deeper message of the 5 a.m. Club. At its deepest level, the 5 a.m. Club is about more than just productivity. It's about reclaiming sovereignty over your life. In a world filled with distractions, external pressures, and constant noise, the act of waking up at 5 a.m. becomes a declaration that you are in control of your time, energy, and focus. It's about creating space in your day to nurture the things that matter most. Your health, your relationships, your purpose. It's about becoming the architect of your own life, rather than being reactive to the demands of the world. The message of the 5 a.m. Club is that the path to greatness lies in the small daily habits we cultivate. By mastering your mornings, you create a ripple effect that transforms not only your day but your entire life. You begin to operate from a place of clarity, intention, and alignment with your highest self. Conclusion: becoming legendary. Robin Sharma's The 5 a.m. Club is not just a call to wake up early. It's a call to wake up to the infinite possibilities within you. It's an invitation to live a life of purpose, passion, and excellence by reclaiming your mornings and committing to personal mastery. In the end, the true goal of the 5 a.m. Club is not just to help you achieve external success, but to lead a life that is deeply fulfilling and aligned with your highest values. It's about becoming the hero of your own story, creating a legacy that inspires others, and living each day with joy, gratitude, and meaning. By joining the 5 a.m. Club, you are not just joining a movement. You are stepping into a life of greatness.